Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Tenamschool, the favorite YouTuber of your favorite YouTuber. Best YouTuber in Universe 7. And in today's video, I woke up early, very early. Even though I'm tired, I'm stressed. Just to help you guys out, to bust you guys, you know what I mean? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a face mask, you know what time it is, out of a napkin. You know what I'm saying? I'm literally making you more safe in these corona times. Because there's a shortage. There's always a shortage of face masks. You know what I mean? So, before we start this video, make sure you like, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, let's get it.
I drive again, I ain't got no note, I ain't got no ring, I am a goat, I am a man, y'all in the low, we smoking dope, I keep it close, you with the poke, smoking the dose, give me some dope, little bit of hope, you already know, treat the top of this.
So, for this video, all you're gonna need is 2 pieces of napkin, elastic bands, and a stapler. So, you take the napkin, kitchen toilet, kitchen roll, kitchen tissue, and you fold it in half. Now, remember that. Now, take out 4 elastic bands. So now, all I want you to do is to position each elastic band at one corner of the tissue. Now you take the stapler and that's it. All you got to do is this, yeah, stapled. Now you go to the other side. You got your face mask now. Okay? I'm gonna add a little something to it, you know what I mean? You gotta be a little bit artistic with it. So yeah, there you go. That's it. That's it. There you go. You got your own face mask. You see what you saw, sir? Subscribe, nigga. That's it. What's your favorite boy Tenamschool? The favorite YouTuber of your favorite YouTuber. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, and out.